Hi, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install this type R spoiler here at 10th gen Honda Civic hatchback the easiest way. Okay, let's start. So you need to put a double-sided tape, okay, and then you can use this one. And then make sure that you put it on the edge. So just try to rub it, put some pressure on it, and then you can see that's the hole. Okay, poke it, and so now these are the holes. So what we need to do right now is lay it flat at the back of the hatch, and then this one you're gonna stick at the back of it. So now you already have a mark. Okay, so this is the place that I want to drill. So I already balance it, as you can see. What you need to do now is to have to put a tape for the paper to stay in place. Okay, and then this one you have to release this one because this one is attached to the spoiler. Okay, now you have to remove it slowly. So just make sure that you're not gonna open this one because it's already fixed, because the mark will move. Okay, so this is our hole on the other side. Okay, just make sure not to open this one until you're done drilling it. Okay, so okay guys, this is it. This is the most critical part. It's the drilling. So once you miss the spot, that's it, there's no going back. So you just have to make sure that you are drilling the right spot. Okay, good. You just have to make sure to file it to remove the sharp edges. And make sure to spray at the bottom of the holes. Just spray a bit of white paint, depends on what color of your car, just to avoid the hole from rusting. Don't forget to put a weather seal before you install this one at the back of the hatch. I already put the weather seal, okay, on both sides. Okay, this is ready to install. So this bolt that I'm using is M16 by 16, and I put a washer and a lock washer. And if you have this U joint, it's better, so you can somehow have a little bit of play inside. Okay, Okay, I guess that's it. We can put all the cover back. Okay, so this is the finished product, Type R spoiler installation. I'll show you the edges. It is clean installation. And that's all for today. See you on our next video.